Have you ever heard of some story like this? MSG is bad for your health. Water, including hydrogen, is good for you. Stickers don't microwaves. You shouldn't eat flour. Germany place lots help your blood flow. Of course, all of these stories are false, and we call this pseudoscience. There's a debate about what is pseudoscience or not. Generally speaking, it is called science that explains based on scientific methodologies that study based on the logic of deductive and imputation. According to Thomas Kuhn, it can be defined as pseudoscience not to provide the explanation with the paradigm of an error required. Frank Wright, famous for his conjecture, said science is built of facts, the way a house is built of bricks, but an accumulation of facts is no more science than a pile of bricks is a house. It is not science to prejudge the result and to manipulate reason. You may think you don't believe in pseudoscience, but there's already a lot of pseudoscience around us. Let's take a look at a few typical things. First, water knows the answer. That says, if you say word good, a water crystal grows beautifully. Recently, a similar experiment with rice fungus appeared on NBC. In fact, they selected only the research which is equivalent to hypothesis. Second, perpetual motion machines. It works permanently without energy supply. Does this mean that entropy is reversing? Third, flat earth theory. They claim that there is no gravity and only density. Do you want to get hit by Newton? Fourth, anion. They say that anions help blood circulation. What are some things in anions? Fluorine, chloride, etc. Are these really good for your health? Well, it's amazing that there are people in the 21st century who believe in this. This pseudoscience can also cause direct damage to people. For example, the Beijing bed included monazite in its bed, advertising that it had heavy anions. In May of 2018, it was found that the monazite released many radon, a radioactive substance, 3 to 10 times the standard. This became a hot topic after a housewife who had been using the bed for years found the fact with a radon detector she bought. The bed that was recorded was 24 models, estimated 60,000 to 80,000 units. It became a more serious problem because of a lot of customers have using the product over the years. There are a lot of reasons for appearance of the science. Depending on time, space, and social atmosphere, what the science was can become science, and what science was also can become pseudoscience. Pseudoscience also happens when you accept the research of the experiment, including errors in subjects, research, and conditions. As science evolves, people who don't know a particular knowledge lack the ability to analyze these errors and mistakes. So when they get too much exposure to the media, people accept the wrong facts as if it are true. In addition, these days, pseudoscience is intentionally spread through companies that want to benefit from pseudoscience, and there are some people who have religious beliefs to science. Finally, people's blind faith in celebrities makes them accept pseudoscience, not facts. How should we do in a world which pseudoscience permitted? Those who have completed compulsory education have the knowledge to verify pseudoscience. But if you don't stick to critical thinking, you can have blind faith about pseudoscience. Pseudoscience is appearing in complex forms as science advances. So we have to develop scientific thinking and respond to more precise logic than ever before. Thanks for listening.